Hello everyone, I'm Mariia from SaaSJet, and today I will show you how to use no-code apps creator, an AI-powered Jira app that helps you build custom Jira solutions, global pages, dashboards, gadgets and issue panels just by chatting with AI. We are on the start page now. In the center of the page you can see ready to use prompts and also the most important element, the prompt box. Here you describe what you want to create. For example, create a cross project status dashboards that shows project summary cards with overall status, charts for issue, counts by status, a list of overdue or blocked issues, and drop down to filter by department. So that's all. You can write your own prompt in simple English. When you are ready, click Generate App. Now the AI is generating our future app. This takes only a short time. When the app is ready, we move to the next page, to deployment page. Here you have two options for deployment, automatic and manual. For manual deployment, download the zip file with the Forge installer. Open it to start the deployment. This file also contains all the generated code, so if you need, you can share it with developer. For automatic deployment, fill in the required fields on this page. Click Test Connection. If the test is successful, then click Deploy. In just a few minutes, your app will be available on your Jira Cloud site. Now let's check the result and see our new dashboard inside Jira. We created a custom Forge app simply by describing what we wanted in plain language. If you want to build your own Jira app in this way, try No-Code Apps Creator. Open the app, type your idea in the prompt box and let AI create your next Jira solution. See you next time.